Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today, but first, I'm doing a giveaway. You may recall this cloud pour I did not long ago. It's all dried, and I gave it a nice shiny coat of varnish. So I'm doing a giveaway with a caveat that you pay for shipping. So if you want to be in the drawing for it and you're willing to pay for shipping, just put the word "me" down below in the comments. And I think I'll choose a winner on Monday. So you have today, Saturday, and Sunday. That way I know that my loyal viewers that watch all of my videos are more likely to get in on it if they choose. So that's that. And then I just want to quickly show you an well, I can't call it an embellishment anymore. A painting I did. This was a pour under here. It was the gold swipe. And I initially painted a horse on here using the cells as the horse's main part of the body. And I negative painted the outside of it. I just didn't like it, so I did this instead. So it's no longer a pour of any kind, although underneath there is both a horse and a swipe. But I'm happy with this one. We're having a show at the gallery in October where all the entries will be 12 by 12 inches. So this is one of my entries. It'll be fun. I call it Friendship. So that's that. Now, for fun, I thought today I would randomly choose my colors. I've done this many times before. You all seem to enjoy that. I'm going to close my eyes and I will pick 6 colors, and with the option of only using 5 of them. So I promise you my eyes are closed, and here we go with the 6 color pick. I'm going to do a white background. Did I tell you I'm going to do a swipe? Yes. I'm going to do a white background and then add these 5 colors as my swipes. So here we go. 1. I'm not going to... Oh, that's practically empty. I mean, it's nearly empty. I don't know if I have another one. I'll put it aside, but I might need to pick another one. I didn't look at it. I'm not going to look until I've drawn all of them. 2, that one's plenty full. It's probably a hideous color. This is both fun and terrifying. 3. 4. 5. 'This one's pretty empty too. 6. I think there's enough though. I'm just for a swipe. And I'm going to pick one more. I'll put it over here in case that first one I picked is too mean. 7. Okay, let's see what I got. This was the first one, Brilliant Blue. Oh, I know I have another blue, so I'll use that one. Oh, I'm glad I don't have to use red ochre. All right, Brilliant Blue. Well, Titanium White, I don't want that because I'm going to have a white base coat, so I'll have to pick another one. Lemon Yellow. Okay. Sap Green. Brilliant Magenta. And Mars Black. Oh, dear. Well, I need to pick one more, so I have 6. So, back to the drawing board. Again, I promise you my eyes are closed. I'm not looking. And the other color will be... Well, that is empty. I don't know what that is, but I can feel that. There's nothing in there. I told you I'm going to keep pouring until I run out of paint, and I have so many brands of paint. Here we go, number 6. Oh, good. Aqua green. That's pretty. All right. Toss that one. cad red. So these are my choices. I think it's obvious I will put the black, Mars Black, aside. And these will be my swipe colors. So let me get my canvas ready and I'll be back in a flash. Alrighty, I've got my base coat down and I'm keeping the recipe very simple. It's 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint and plus a little water to thin out to a nice consistency. Let's see, maybe in the yellow you can see just what that is. It leaves a little trace, but it's quite thin. So I think I just want to do just something across the middle and kind of go up and down. But I don't think I'll do strip, you know, one stream of color, of each color across the middle. I think I'll mix it up a little bit, do things like this, kind of. And I'm going to have a lot of paint left over. I better speed this part up. It's going to take a while. Okay, I'm just going to use some old business cards here. I don't know if this is going to be interesting enough, but we'll start with this and then see what happens. Oops, I got 2 there. Well, it's pretty, but it's not very exciting. I don't know how to change it up. I think I'll just continue. I'm going to turn it around, maybe add a little more color and go that the other side. It is pretty. I might be able to come up with some kind of an embellishment, use it for a background or something. We'll see. That's pretty. That's pretty. But you see all these little cells that are popping up with the Floetrol. 4 parts Floetrol really will get you a lot of cells without any silicone. And nice little lacy looking ones. What happened there? I'll try to touch that up. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Well, well, it's not terribly exciting, but I think it's quite pretty. I don't think I'm going to tilt it or do anything else to it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I don't think those cells will get too much bigger, but you know what? I'm okay if they do. And I think I prefer this look, adding little short stripes of color rather than running a strip across the middle. I think it made it more interesting. So there we have it. If you have any ideas for how I might embellish this when it's dry, let me know. Thanks for watching, my friends, and just remember, if you're interested in that painting I'm giving away, just say the word "me" down in the description box below, and you'll be in the drawing. But do read the instructions in the description box. Okay. Thank you, my friends. And I think I said description box, but I meant comment box. Okay. Enough said. Bye-bye.